In this video, we are having a look at some options that you can use within Excel to set up the Excel environment. The first option we're going to look at is your Quick Access Toolbar or your QAT. This option allows you to add some shortcuts to this part of your screen to make things easier for you on a daily basis. Your Quick Access Toolbar is found in the top left-hand part of your screen, and as you can see, there are already a number of options here. If you click on the little down arrow to the right-hand side of it, you can customize this area by adding options to the list. If you click on the More Commands option, this will then allow you to select from an even bigger selection of commands. Click on the drop-down arrow and click All Commands, same again. You can now select any option within Excel. To add an option to your Quick Access Toolbar, just select on a command from the left-hand side and then click on the Add option. This will then add it to your Quick Access Toolbar. To remove it off your Quick Access Toolbar, just select the option and click Remove, and it has done it for you. That's the first option you can use. The next option we're going to look at is actually creating your own tab. Right-hand click on some empty space on the far right-hand side of your ribbon and select the Customize the Ribbon option. From here, you can click on the New Tab button. You'll see it's now put a new tab in the middle of this list. You can then change the order where the tab is positioned by clicking the up and down arrow on the right-hand side. To rename this, select the word New Tab, click on Rename, then we're going to call it Your Tab, of course your name and tab. We can then rename the groups. So what a group is on a tab is, if you look behind Clipboard and Font, these two headings are examples of groups. We're going to rename the first group Editing, then we're going to add another new group and call it Printing. We're now going to select both of these individually and add a couple of options across to the ribbon. Once you have done this, if you click OK, you'll now see that your tab has appeared up at the top with the options you've added to it. The final option we are going to have a look at isn't specifically linked just to Excel. We're going to have a look at splitting the screen in front of you. You can do this within Excel on View using Arrange All, but what this will do is it'll arrange all the open Excel workbooks that are available, which can be useful, but this other split screen option we are showing you allows you to do it not just within Excel, but across packages and programs. To set up this split screen option, you hold down the Windows key on your keyboard and either select the left or right arrow on your keyboard. So I'm now going to hold down the Windows key and click on the left hand arrow on the keyboard. I'm then going to let go of the Windows key and the left arrow, and you'll see that now the options I have to split the screen with have appeared on the right hand side. We're going to click on the window for Microsoft Word, and you can see it has now split the screen with the two programs. You'll have noticed when we did the Windows key and the left arrow, it wasn't just Microsoft Office programs that were available to split with. There was also an internet browser, and there was also the filing system. This shows you that you can split the screen with any packages or programs. It doesn't have to just be Microsoft Office. So these options you can use to set up the environment for when you're using it on a daily basis.